There is a very powerful magician on Math Planet, and he has many magical abilities. When the monsters come out to destroy things, the magician uses his magic to defeat them and protect everyone.
I am the great magician Kiki, and let's see if anyone needs our help. Brain development.
The Kingdom of Logic has many beautiful islands. One day, the evil Monster King came and destroyed the trees and houses here. Everyone is homeless. Please help the people rebuild their homes with the magician.
Welcome to the Logic Kingdom. Let's check out the island. Please help me rebuild the island by completing tasks and getting hammers.
Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. You finished all the questions. Boo-hoo, you failed. Three. 1, 2, 3. Wow, a tornado. 2 steps back.
What? Why is it wrong?
Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count. How many bugs are there? 3. Wow, well done. Yay! You won a magic card. Turtle card. Haha, the Devil King's turned into a turtle. Two. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am in Thank you. I am in train car number 6. You're so smart. Quick! Yay! You won a magic card. Ice card. Yay! The Devil King is frozen. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the fruit candies and connect them to the right number. 3. You're so smart. Yay! You won a magic card. Ice card. Yay! The Devil King is frozen. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! You found a gold card. Sword, give me power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. The attack succeeded. The Devil King lost 1 life. The Devil King has 1 life left. Keep up your attack.
Oh, you got it wrong.
6. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Yay! You can pick cards here. Yay! You found a gold card. Devil King, here's something for my ice cream. Wow! The Devil King has lost all of his lives. You've won!
Kiki, there's someone looking for you.
Dinosaur Island needs you. Will you please help? Please help me rebuild the island by completing tasks and getting hammers.
Pick out 2 differences in these pictures. Good job! You found them all so quickly. Well done! If you still can't find them, use the magnifying glass. You spotted them so quickly.
You've got a hammer. Now you can rebuild the building. Wow, the new building looks so nice.
Please.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, it's frozen!
What? Why is it wrong?
Your hands are frozen! You can't roll the dice!
Yeah! I've won a magic card! Ice card!
The Devil King has turned you into ice! It's so cold! Your hands are frozen! You can't roll the dice!
Oh, you got it wrong!
Two! 1, 2! Let's count. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unbelievable! You're the best! Take a gold card to defeat the Devil King. Yay! You won a magic card! Missile card! Here comes a missile!
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Car card!
One. Yay! You won a magic card. Car card.
Whoa!
Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Turtle card!
One. You've come back! Wow, a tornado! 2 steps back.
Kiki, take this!
Oh no, you've lost 1 life because the Devil King attacked you. You have only 1 life left. Don't let him take it. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kiki, take this!
Boo-hoo, you've lost all your lives. Game over. Two, 1, 2. Circle, 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 circle. Oval, 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 oval. Square, square. Unbelievable, you're the best. Take a gold card. Yay, you won a magic card. Ice card. Yay, the Devil King is frozen. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write some numbers. There you go. Congratulations. Quick, pick a... Yay! You won a magic card. Car card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you got it wrong!
2, 1, 2. Sort them by color. Unbelievable, you're the best. Yay! You won a magic card. Missile card. Here comes a missile.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Turtle card!
One. You've come back. Find the treasure in the box with the highest number. There you go. Congratulations. Yay, you found a gold card. Sword, give me power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. The attack succeeded. The Devil King lost 1 life. The Devil King has 1 life left. Keep up your attack.
What? Why is it wrong?
Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Shield card!
Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the pictures into the box with the same picture. You're so smart. Quick, pick a card. Yay! You won a magic card. Card. Car, let's go forward. 1, 2, 3.
You got it right! You've won a magic card! Missile card!
It's a missile from the Devil King. 2 steps back. Boo-hoo! 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's line up the pencils from shortest to tallest. There you go. Congratulations. Quick! Yay! You won a magic card. Missile card. Here comes a missile.
Kiki, take this!
Oh no! You've lost 1 life because the Devil King attacked you. You have only 1 life left. Don't let him take it. 1. Yay! You can pick cards here. Take a... Yay! You found a gold card. Sword. Give me power. Devil King, have a taste of my sword. Wow! The Devil King has lost all of his lives. You've won!
You've got a hammer. Now you can rebuild the building.
Choose a superhero to be your squad captain. I am Superhero Kiki. I can use my tricolor magic to defeat obstacles. Baby Bus, Superhero Squad is departing. Baby Bus, element attack! Ice, fire, thunder, lightning! Attention, attention! You have entered the realm of evil kings. Prepare for battle. Baby Bus, flying energy, soaring into the sky! Hi-ya-ya, poison zone! Baby Bus, element attack! Hi-ya-ya, sludge attack! Baby Bus, element attack! Hi-ya-ya, poison zone! Baby Bus, element attack! I am Superhero Kiki and I am invincible! Baby Buzz! Baby Buzz! Element attack!
I'll be back. You'll see.